Hi, in this video we will see how we can split the PDF file very easily and we don't need any software. The single Chrome browser is fine for doing that. So here we are seeing on PDF file is there. If we try to open it, here we are seeing there are 100 pages and we want to split it. Like for example, we want to split like page number 1 to page number 10, or any page is fine, or even one page. If you want to extract, you can do that very simply. So what we need to do, we need a browser first. So I'm going to open the Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser, and then what I need to do, we need to drag this PDF file on the browser, or we can open the PDF file from the browser also. So I'm dragging it. It is very easy and shortcut. And now we are seeing that the PDF file is opened using Chrome browser, right? So here we are seeing this is Chrome and this is the file. Basically we want to split. We can split one page, two page, whatever we want. So what we need to do, once we open it, then we'll find on print like icon on the Chrome browser. We just need to click here and it will bring this type of page. From here, destination, we have to choose save as PDF and then pages. This is the main part. Basically we have to define the number of pages or the page number or range, everything over here. Suppose we want to split like page number like for example page number 10, we want to split only one page. So what we have to do, we have to click here. It will expand like this type of menu. From here we have to choose custom, and then we have to put the page number like page number 10. So the page number 10 will be separated from the whole document, and then finally we can press the save button and it will ask where we want to save the file. Basically by default it is showing like downloads folder, but if you want to save it to different folder, you can also do. Suppose I want to name it like page 10. Okay, as I'm extracting only one page, that's why I make it like page 10 and click save, and finally it will be saved. Let's see whether it is able to extract that page or split that page on that based on page number 10. So here we are seeing this is the file. It's just generated like 852, 853 just now it generated. If I try to open, and here we are seeing only page number 10 has been separated from the entire document. So in this way we can split the page from a PDF file. If we want to split a range, that is also possible. If we want to extract like multiple pages together, that is also possible. So let's see one other example. So this is the same PDF. Okay, so here again we need to click on print icon and then it will pop up this type of window. From here we have to choose destination as save as PDF and pages. Now suppose for example we want to extract page 10 to 12, for example 2 pages. Okay, then we can also, this is the range, right? By using this thing we can range the number of pages. Basically it will select and then it will print. Now let's make it more complicated. Suppose we want to extract page also, page number 50 also, and lastly like 91 to 93, for example. So how many pages are there? 10, 12, 10, 11, 12, 3 pages. This is 3 pages and this is 4 pages, and 91 to 93 another, 91 to 3 another 3 pages. So 3, 6, 7 pages, for example. Okay, we want to extract this thing. So here this is a complicated situation, right? But using this Chrome browser, basically we can do that, and it will be separated based on this type of this number of pages basically. So now press the save button and it is asking the name of the like new file, right, which it will be created from the existing PDF. Suppose I can name it like combined, and then we have to press the save button and then minimize it, and let's see whether it is able to do that or not. So I'm going to double click over there, combined file, and here we are seeing page number 10 to 12. We put 10, 11, 12. So these 3 pages is separated. Now it also separated 50, and finally it's separated 91, 92 and 93, these 3 pages. So altogether it's separated from the main PDF and it created a different PDF. So in this way we can easily use the Chrome browser to split any PDF file, and we don't need any type of document processor or PDF processor, something like that. We don't need those things, and we also don't need to install, or we don't need to upload this file to some location. Nothing. We don't need to do. Just use the browser and then choose the pages you want to split and just click the save button, and it will be saved to the desired location of your computer. That's it, guys. In this way we can easily split the PDF based on our own requirement. Thank you guys for watching the video.